In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your out of office in Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open up Slack. Whether you're using the web browser or the desktop application, just log into your Slack workspace. This is where all the magic happens, so make sure you're ready to go. Once you've opened Slack, the next step is to find your profile menu. You'll notice your profile avatar or icon located in the top right corner of the Slack window. Go ahead and click on that avatar. When you do this, a drop-down menu will appear with several options to choose from. Now, what you want to look for in that drop-down is the option that says Set Yourself as Away. Once you locate it, click on that option. After you click it, you should notice a change in your status indicator. This little change informs your colleagues that you are currently offline or away from your desk. Remember, your status will stay this way until you decide to switch it back on manually or until you start typing or navigating through the application again. It's a simple way to let everyone know you're not available, especially when you might be busy attending to other things or just taking a break. If you ever want to return to your active status, all you have to do is click on your profile avatar once again and select Set Yourself as Active. It's super easy and keeps communication clear among your team. And that's it. That's all there is to setting your out-of-office status in Slack. It's a quick and efficient way to manage your availability, and it helps your colleagues know if they can expect a prompt response or if they should wait a bit to hear back from you. So to recap, log into Slack, click your profile icon, set yourself as away, and you're done. It's that straightforward. Just remember to toggle back to active when you're back at your desk or ready to dive into those messages. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Setting your out-of-office status is a small yet significant feature that can enhance communication and streamline interactions in the workplace. If you have questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'd love to help out. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. This way, you won't miss out on more amazing tips like this in the future. Thanks for watching.